Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, the Travlin Prof. Today is number 24 in our Russian Word of the Day video series. Today we are going to learn the word for oatmeal, which is up there with sandwiches as one of the most important breakfast food items.
Овсянка. Овсянка.
O or a? Овсянка. Овсянка. So the word of the day is oatmeal, and it's actually very hard for me to say as an English speaker. And the reason for that, you have the beginning sia, which is a soft sound with s, but then when you try to combine that with a hard n, I find that my tongue wants to go naturally to the soft n position instead. So getting my tongue to transition between the soft sia and the hard n is rather difficult. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day, but until then, get curious and start digging.
Овсянка. Овсянка.